Hello again everybody, welcome again to another origami tutorial. I am Tree and today I'm going to teach you how to make a very cool origami boomerang. This boomerang is easy to make and it flies very well. This looks like a drone, so I named this boomerang drone. And to make the boomerang you need a piece of origami paper. You can also trim an A4 paper or use letter size paper to make a square sheet of paper, and you can fold this origami drone easily. Now let's fold the paper in half. Then unfold the paper. Now let's fold the paper in half this way. On the following step, let's start from this edge, fold to the center crease. And repeat the same fold for the other side. Now start from this edge and this edge, fold both edges to the center crease. Then unfold the paper. Next, I will start from this side first. I'll match this edge to the center crease, and then I repeat the same fold for the other side. I will match this edge to the center crease. Press the paper down hard, and now I can match this top edge to the lower edge. And then repeat the same fold for the other side. Now open the upper layer, fold straight like this, and repeat the same fold for this side as well. Same thing here. I'll open this layer, fold straight to the center crease, and then pull it up, and then fold this one up as well. Same thing for this side. And now we have a very nice shape of origami. On the following step, let's start from one side first. Let's start from this side. Let's open. You can see that we have two layers, and we have like a pocket here. Let's fold the top down and repeat the same fold for this side. Open the paper and fold the top down. Same thing here, same step. Start from the top, fold down. Same thing for this side, same thing. So we have like a square with 4 different sizes, and that's exactly what I need. And on the following step, let's open the part here first, this side first, and then we fold it like we create the origami crane. So start from the edge of this side, fold straight to the center crease. Let's fold out like this first, and then match the edge to the center crease. Let's start from one side and then do the other side. Or I will show you another way to fold it. This will be much easier. Now let's start from the edge. Let me fold everything back, and then I'll start from this edge. I'll fold it to the center crease, and then I repeat the same fold for this side. Let me fold out. Okay, so this is what you should have, right? I'll start. Let me repeat again. I start from this edge, I fold to the center crease. Same thing here. I start from the edge, I fold to the center crease, and now I unfold the paper. And on the following step, let me fold it back again. Fold here, and then on the tip, we have a line here. I'll fold down. I'll fold down for this. All right. So this is what we have. Let me unfold the paper, unfold everything, and then I fold this layer up again. Okay, now we have a crease here already. Now we can just fold this crease, match the both sides to the center crease. Same thing for this side. To the center crease, and then repeat the same fold for all the sides of the paper. Start from the edge, fold it to the center crease, right, and then fold it top here, fold down. Next, let's unfold the paper and pull the layer up. We have a top layer, and fold this layer. Fold this layer up, and then match the edge to the center crease. Okay, then you can finish for all the sides. We have the upper layer. One way you can do is repeat the same fold that we did earlier. Same thing for this side. Start from this edge, fold to the center crease. Right, let me move a little bit the paper a little bit more. Here we go, and open the paper. Start from the upper layer, put up, and then I will turn the paper this way so you can see it clearly. Start from the edge, four edges, go to the center crease. Okay, now we have a star. We have an origami star, but this is not what we want. We want to create an origami drone, a snowflake that can spin back like a boomerang. To make the boomerang, now let me show you the next step. Alright, I will turn the paper over, and I will start from this side first. I'll fold backward. Same thing for this one. I'll fold back. Same thing for this. for it backward. Okay, then I turn the paper this way. I repeat the same fold. Alright, and then I can flip the paper over. Now, this is very interesting. We will repeat the same thing. I will start from the top here first. I will fold straight toward the center crease. Okay, just a little bit more. Imagine that. I will tell you in detail now. So you can have like 1 inch from the tip along the center crease. Estimate is about 1 inch. You can use your finger and estimate, and you can fold it down like this. It should pass the line here a little bit, and then you can match this edge to the outside edge here. The easier way. Okay, so let's repeat again. Now you have an origami star. On the following step, let's start from the center edge here, fold straight to the outside edge, and repeat the same fold for the other side. So from one side edge, fold this, the same thing for the other side, and then now you can fold this one down like this. You will have an edge like this. Okay, and then you can insert this corner of the tip here into this small pocket. So I will just insert it there. Alright, and of course you cannot push the whole part toward the pocket, so push as much as you can, and then you can press the outside paper down. And now you just finish one side of the drawing, and then you can repeat the same fold for all the sides. Let's repeat the same fold for this side as well. Let's open the upper layers. You have 2 layers, 1 on each side, and then same thing, match this edge to the outside edge. Same thing for this side. Okay, first, and then now of course you can fold the top here down, right? And same step, you can should have a pocket right here. Then you can match the tip into that pocket, and try to push as much as you can, and if it's too much, put down a little bit more, and you can put the paper down and press down. You can adjust it a little bit so that will look nice. Alright, now let's repeat the same fold for the other side. Same thing here. I will speed up a little bit because now you know what you need to do already. So same thing for this side. Alright, so now you have like a snowflake. On the following step, let's make it look even nicer. Now you can see one side here, we have like a triangle shape. I will fold the tip into the point right here, the intersection of this the edge and the center crease, but I will fold it from outside to the inside. Now let's do it first for this side. one side, same thing for the other side, same thing for the other side. Alright, same thing for this side as well. The easiest way is to fold it like this first, so you have a crease as a preference, and then you can make a reverse fold. Okay. Same thing for this side. I will fold this back first, make a crease here first, and then I can reverse the fold. Cool. Now you have a very nice shape of paper. Then let me flip the paper over. Okay, you can see this part keep popping up as we not have the boomerang fly back well. So we do a few more steps to help the boomerang works much better. So you can see this layer. See, when I pull it up, you can see this part pop up. Look at this, you have two sides here. You have two layers actually, upper and lower layer. So let me fold this part. Let me show you how I fold the back of the boomerang again. So let's flatten the paper down, and then you can see two layers here. So curve one layer, and for straight toward the center crease. You can match this corner straight to this point. Same thing here for this corner, straight to this corner. So just do it something like that. Of course, you cannot match corner to corner because you need to make sure that the center crease match with the other center crease as well. So just press down. It's close. You may need to adjust the paper a little bit, and then repeat the same fold for all the side. Same thing for this side. Same thing for this side too. And now you can press the paper down. And here you go. This is the quadcopter. I think this looks really cool, and actually it's fly back. It's a very nice boomerang paper origami, a boomerang paper plane, or you just call it the origami boomerang. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed making this origami drone. Don't forget to give the video a thumb up, share the tutorial with your friends, and subscribe my channel. Also, comment below how you think about this origami, if you like it, not like it, and what you want me to do on the next video. Once again, thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye. Hi guys, this is a step-by-step instruction teach you how to create a psychotic cyclones boomerang paper planes. So for more detail for this paper airplane, this is one of my most favorite paper airplane ever. I love it a lot. So now let me show you guys how to do it step by step. First step, I will fold the paper in half horizontally, or you can consider it vertically.